Alright, so we're back and we are working on our DBQ number 1, post-classical Islam and Islamic empires. Alright, once again, you want to rephrase your question right here. We are talking about the similarities and differences between the Umayyad and Abbasid caliphates. Okay, we want to talk about how they're similar and different. Okay, once you go over here, you want to make sure that you are answering each question by looking at your DBQ documents. All you have to do is read each one and answer the question. So, for example, according to the Dome of the Rock, it says, according to the Dome of the Rock, or according to the document, why was the Dome of the Rock important? Well, if you go to your sources, you could say, the Dome of the Rock was important because it was built by an Umayyad caliph named Abd al-Malik. Okay? So, let's say the Dome of the Rock is important because it was built by an Umayyad caliph named Abd al-Malik. Alright, so good. So that's how you do that first one. Then the second part says, what does this source reveal about the Umayyad or Abbasid Empire? Well, this question is just asking what's important, or what does that document tell you or about the empire? So let me go back. So after reading, I would come to the conclusion that this document tells me that the Umayyad were they were the creators of one of the most important Islamic structures of the 7th century. So I would say something on the lines of, this source shows me that the Umayyad were the first creators of a mosque in Jerusalem. Boom. There you have it, and you would do the same thing for each of these documents, okay? So you would do it for A, B, C, D, E, and F. Alright. Now this section is optional. If you did this section already, that's fine. I will consider that when I put the grades in and give you those extra credit points. However, if you do not know how to write a CER, a proper one, you would click this video link right here and it would show you, and you would answer these questions based on the video. So I highly suggest, if you forgot how to write a CER, this video will help you. Now, let's get down here. When we get to this body paragraph claim, alright, this is your topic sentence. This is your first kind of sentence. Alright, now, you're going to restate your claim, but this time only include one reason at a time. Your hook is highlighted in yellow. What is a hook? It is a thing designed to catch people's attention. So this highlighted yellow part is your hook. Alright, you want to bring the reader in. I'm the reader, so you want to make sure you interest me. You want to show me what you know about the Umayyad and the Abbasid. That's why I included. You can add a similarity for both of them and a difference for both of them. Alright, but you can add your own hook if you like. This is just my own. You can use this one. Just make sure you plug in the similarities and differences. Alright, this is the most important part though, down here. Alright, so this is where you write your claim. Did Umayyad have more differences between them, or did they have more similarities between them, and why? So you would erase this part, alright, and then you would now write your own claim or your own sentence. So you would say let's go, for example, the Umayyad had more differences between the Abbasid Caliphate. Let's put that one. Because they cared more about taxing its citizens. Boom. That's your claim. Alright, it's straight to the point. We have our because. That's how we answered the why. Why? Why do you think that's more different? I think there's more differences because I think that jizya that they were charging its citizens was a little bit too much, and that kind of separated them from the Abbasid. So from then, I would then start gathering my evidence. So I will go to this box right here. So which document are you going to use that supports this claim that they're taxing their citizens? All right, so you can click this link. It'll take you back to that evidence sheet. All right, and based on this, okay, you would find your document that supports your answer. So document E talks about what? It talks about the jizya. If Muslims married non-Muslims, it would mean that people would convert to Islam and the loss of taxable citizens. So whatever I wrote for document E up here, okay, I would just bring it down here. Okay, so my first one right here will be according to document E. Okay, so according to document E, then you would include what you wrote up here. Okay, you would copy and paste this, whatever you write for this top part, you would copy that because you already wrote it in your own words, and I would paste it down here. And then your reasoning, you're going to explain why. Your why is already done for you. Your why is right here. This question, what does this source reveal about the Umayyad or Abbasid right here? This is your why. So whatever you answer for that goes in this box. Okay? And then after that, you would just do the same thing for these next boxes. What's the second reason why they're more different? And you would find the right document. You would just repeat what I just went over for these next two paragraphs. After that, come down here and then start writing your conclusion. Okay? So here's your sentence starter right here. You would say, in conclusion, the Umayyad, caring about taxes, and what else? What the Umayyad doing? Caring about money was the main reason why they were more different than the Abbasid. So you will write your conclusion like that. Were the main reasons why the Umayyad and Abbasid Caliphate, were more similar or different than each other. Okay? Notice how I copied the sentence starter. Okay, then you would go down here. These were important for their caliphates because people eventually got tired of trying to convert to Islam to avoid paying the tax. Okay, so you would say something like that. And then how would you connect this to our life? What impact did the Umayyad or Abbasid Caliphate leave on the world today? What did they leave? The success of both the Umayyad and Abbasid Caliphates were important for the world because what did these two caliphates do for the world? And then after that, you are now ready to put everything together into your final essay. Your essay should be in the following order. Your introduction paragraph, don't forget the hook. So you will come up here. Alright. And based on what you filled out in here, you would copy this whole thing. Alright, copy. And then you would come down here. Alright. You can erase that part. And then you would just paste. Alright, without formatting. And then you would do the same thing for each paragraph. You should have 3 paragraphs here at the bottom. based on what you write. Okay? I hope this video helps you out, and it shows you how to do this assignment. Once again, if you still have questions on how to do this, please reach out to me. But for the most part, I think all of you should be all right. Good luck, and I look forward to reading all of your responses.